I feel like I need to be singing, "Welcome to the jungle." This is what happens when Southern California gets water and you don't get a break to cut the lawn. And you finally get a little break before it starts raining again, guys. I know it never happens. We were in drought for so many years. So this is the before, guys. And my husband is going to do the best to make it look all pretty. But we have Mr. Chester and Mr. Beethoven who decides to grab stuff. And I don't know why, guys, decide to make these big holes. So once we start cutting everything, we're going to terminate how to put it all back together. But the jungle will be cut. I was gonna go get the machete, but my husband says like, I don't need no machete. Arg! Oh, it's gonna make, yeah. Have it just like that, you guys. We still have to cover the holes that these little kids did. What? I know there was a big thing, but it can be done, guys. So hopefully this motivates you guys to go and cut your lawn after all this rain. Till next time, guys. Hope you enjoy. Say bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye.